Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video we have seen how to create a resource group using CLI and Python SDK version 2. I have shown you what are the main, let's say, commands that could be applied to the resource group. And today we will continue with the workspace. And in the upcoming videos, I will try to make all of these components, creating components, interacting between components in only CI/CD pipeline. So don't worry when we have to. I just wanted to be sure that you understand what it is the components. So please stick with this naming, and it's really important. And yeah, can you just make me a favor? So I would like to have for this video only 20 likes. It make me, let's see, happy and make me to continue recording such videos. So thanks in advance. And yeah, we have seen how to create a resource group, and we have already created this resource group. If you see here, we have created this resource group. Now we would like to create the workspace, and the workspace we have seen it as we see it's a central hub for machine learning operations and experiments. And if you see this figure here, let me just go to this, and you can see the workspace is connected with many components, and these components here in the, for instance, Azure key vault, storage account, Azure container, and monitor. This will be created automatically when we create a workspace. So, and by the way, regarding the cost, creating the workspace itself, it's free, and the cost will be come when you have the compute, when you create, let's say, a PC compute cluster or maybe Kubernetes, and I will show you how to select the best price for you. And also the storage account, it costs you 0.052 dollars per gigabyte for every month. And to create, let's say, a resource group, I mean a workspace. Sorry, I'm mixing between these. You have to have the name of the resource group of the workspace, the name of the workspace you would like to create this workspace in or on, and also the location of the workspace have to be also identical to the location of the resource group. And you can see here the storage account and key vault. And some parameters, there are many several parameters I will show you now. And some parameters are needed, or let's say required, and some others not. So let's see here. So create account, I mean create a workspace. It has several parameters, and as you can see, only these three here are let's see required. So you need to have a name, you need to have a resource group, you need to have a region, and for the other one are automatic. I mean not needed. But as you can see here, for instance, storage account, key vault, and container account will be created automatically, even when you see when you haven't let's see, sorry, provide the names, and we will see now. And to create a workspace, you need to have CLI. For the CLI, you need to download this extension. Hopefully, you already followed from the setup tutorial. And you need to have to log in into your account, create a workspace, to create a resource group. This we have done last time. As you can see, we have this is our resource group. Now we have this command here. We need to create our resource, our workspace. And let's have a look how to create this. We can clear this, and I will just try to create this. And as you can see, when we create this, it will try to create it inside this resource group. Okay, let's have a look, guys. Here you can see it's already created, and I will show you now what we have. We can see here, this is our resource group, and you can see we will need to create some many resources, but let's just focus on this. I will just remove this, and I will tell you what I got when I have from error, but let me just, I will delete it now. So this is the new components here. So let me just, this is our components that created when we have created a workspace. You can see this is our workspace here, and these other components have been created additionally with the when we create the workspace. And if you go here, you can see now the workspace. Let's see all resources. Not yet. Sometimes it's need to make refresh. So here's is our Azure machine learning, or you can try here to see machine learning. If it's not in your stuff, you can just see it here, and you will see the workspace here. And this is our workspace now. And to launch a video, to launch a studio, not a video. And let's see just what is inside. Already inside this is already explained in this videos. So in the next time, in the upcoming videos, we will see how to create a storage account, connect, upload the data, and creating a compute, Kubernetes, and everything. And finally, I will try to build a whole project with CI/CD pipeline. And there are several commands which is somehow sometimes you need to delete the not this command. I have updated. So sometimes you need to show maybe the list of the resource group, and let's see, have a look if we can. The name was just changed, and I will just give you one moment. I will give you one hint. Sometimes it will get trouble with this, but I will show you how to fix this. But let's see. So try and always on a table, to show this on table, because the JSON file is not readable indeed. So you can see the name, where is the name, and the application inside, the display name, but it's not now organized. But anyway, this is how to create a resource group, workspace, and some other commands. Let's see, you need to list all the resource group in your stuff in your PC. You need to update maybe the tags and the description and everything, and you might need also to delete this resource group. And by the way, if you now try to delete this resource group, where is the resource, our resource group? Yeah, you can see now machine learning workspace is here. So now if I delete this delete this resource group, everything inside this resource group will be deleted. So 999 components will be deleted. I mean, all of these will be deleted. So be careful to this. And if you would like to delete a resource, only a resource, from this you can just select and delete this resource from here. Okay. Okay, so I think this is all the clear. Yeah, by the way, regarding the Python, I will just it should work. I have tried it several times. And one hint, please. So sometimes, let's see, I have created this resource group, right? And let me just do it again. Uh, Let me delete this and try to show you again, because it's really helpful. Or maybe deleting it takes much time in my PC, so I will just give it you as a info. So sometimes you have created a resource group, and now if you delete this, it will not be, let's see, deleted if from the PC right now. So permanently, please, it will be in a soft delete, and to delete it, you have to go to recently delete and select the description, the location. Let's see, OSA, and you can see there's no group. So if you have any groups, let's see, in this and the deleted, you can just have to either to recover or permanently delete. So this is the one hint that might be needed for you, and you need also to have it as the admin here. Okay, so I think that's it for today, and please subscribe and like. I just need only 12 likes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.